whatever till whatever we have practiced yesterday?
Yes.
I completed uh, lesson 7. I am doing assist.
Lesson 7 are you doing? Fine.
Yes.
I think did you complete Krishna? Did you complete Krishna's still where we have complete all the activities?
I am done now, sir.
Okay, fine. So we can start our other activities. So where still till we have completed this activity
8.8. 6
8.6
is done.
point.
No, 7 we have only normal theory. 8.8 we need to look into.
Yes, 8 point add formulas to size margin report we have completed. So not here, sorry, here we have completed. Yes, we have completed till country size
No, this
analysis.
one we haven't, as if we haven't touched this one. REP01. This creation is not done.
Yes, we not done. So we need to country margin using some margin reports
Done.
module.
This one is done.
I think we need to start from here. So
Yes.
8.8.1 we need to start. We have completed till add formulas to margin calculation module we have completed. After this one we have next activity, this one, add country margin reporting module. So this is the first activity after completing that margin calculation module. So you can see here reporting 01 country margin report module. Here if I want to create this module, simply you can see we need to copy this module name, reporting. So where should I create the reporting module? Under the reports or somewhere should I create? Under the report I should create the reporting module. Is it correct? So I should create
Yes.
and I should create the under the reporting category I should create the reporting module. So what are the dimension should I take here? You can see time should be in year. Okay, and G2 country list and
G2
P1
country list and P1
P1
product
product
family.
family list. We should take G2 country list, P1 product family list. Yes. So then what are the line items we should create? You can see these are the 4 line items. Revenue, revenue, cost of sales,
Uh, Asif bhai, actually, I think I missed yesterday's class. So in earlier, whatever the dimensions we took, we took it from the just go to the next page, no? Yeah,
okay, I will
we
go
have
there.
we have we have taken it from the column section, right? Now we are adding it to pages. I'm just trying to understand that.
Why means here we have time dimension. You can see here, here we have time dimension. If I have time, how can I keep beside the time? If I don't have time, in that scenario I will take one in columns and pages. I can take wherever I want. If I have one I will take column. If I have two, one I will take in column and one I will take in pages. If I don't have time, I can do that one. If I have time, why should I take? How can I take beside the time? Is it clear?
Okay.
Time should be there in columns by default. So if you have time, then whatever the dimensions you should take in pages. That's it. You don't have any option. Line items you should take rows. If you have time dimension in that module, it should be present in columns. Anyway, you should take the other dimensions in pages. That's it. Please try to keep
Okay,
mute.
got it.
Please try to keep mute. Whenever if you want speak, you can unmute and you can speak. You can see here. So format, we after creating this module reporting 01, we need to change the format of the each and every line item. So add and format these line items. So what are the formats? You can see
Sorry,
number.
sorry to interrupt, Asif. I have a small question here.
Okay.
When regarding the time dimension, earlier module we saw it as a month. Now it is showing year. So where can we change that? Like
So
year, month.
you can see,
Again, mapping link.
no,
Mapping
here
only.
here we need to change. Once if you click blueprint view, you need to
Hmm.
change here. Time scale is
Okay,
month we
okay,
have
got it.
here.
Got it. So now we need to change it here. Okay.
Now only we need to change. Earlier we can't change anywhere. So after creating the line items, we should come to the blueprint view and we need to
Hmm.
change the time scale
Okay.
in blueprint view.
Okay. Got it. Got it.
Simply you can keep year, and we need to change the format of the line items as well. What is the formats for these three line items? You can check here. For these three line items we have number format. For fourth line item we have the percentage two
Percentage.
decimals. So you can see default line item format is a number anyway. So there is no need to change anything for the three line items. The thing is you need to change here. Fourth one is the format as a percentage. Decimals should be 2. We should keep this one. Then we can click on OK. We have changed it, and we need to change the summary methods as well. So what are the summary methods for these line items? Revenue, cost of sales, margin. For these three line items you have sum, and for fourth line item you have formula. So simply we can copy the, first we need to change the summary method sum to one line item. Then we can copy this one and you can paste till here. And final fourth line item we should keep the summary method as a formula. Why you are not getting this one means, after giving formulas here, then only you can turn on summary method formula here. So till that time we need to wait. First of all we need to write the formula. So after writing all formulas we can turn on this summary method for formula. So what is, after we have written everything, so then I need to refresh this page. So if I don't refresh this page, what happened? So I will not get screenshot whatever we have. So that is the reason we should refresh the page daily, at least once. So otherwise whatever the screenshot they are providing, so after completing our module, after answer we will not get that one. You can see now you will get. So now you can see your screen is matching to this one or not. Yes, is it correct whatever we
Yes.
got here?
Yes.
Everything is perfect. So we can go ahead then. So this is a we have built the module. So we can go for the next activity. We need to add formula to the this module. So you can see, so revenue, cost of sales, margin percentage. So for this one, for revenue, what we have, so we have details revenue and already revenue 03 margin calculation module, revenue line item. So that is the reason I am pulling data from that module to this module. Simply I am referring. So how we'll do this one means, I will show revenue 03 module here. So here we have the revenue, cost of sales line item we have. So that is the reason what I am doing simply. So if I want revenue, cost of sales, simply what I am doing, I am clicking here on formula bar. So I should click on double click, or I can click on edit. Both options are available. Simply I should go to this module. This is source. Wherever we are writing formula is the target. From where you are getting data is nothing but that is a source. Then simply I should click this line item. I will get revenue 03 margin calculation, this module name, revenue 03 margin calculation, and this is a line item. Inside the module, whatever the line item we are considering, dot line item name you will get. So if I click here, simply I will get the data from here to here I will get. So this is the way. If I want cost of sales, same procedure I should do. I should follow same procedure, nothing will be different. Go to revenue 03 margin calculation module, cost of sales. So simply I should apply here. Then I will get data from revenue 03 margin calculation module to reporting 01 margin calculation module. And what is the next margin? What is the formula for margin? How we will get margin, Balakrishna?
Revenue minus cost of sales.
Simply you can select here. There is no need to go there and pull data from there to here. Here only you can do revenue minus cost of sales. You can do simply, you will get same value you will get. If I pull margin from here also, I will get same value. Here also if I put, but this is a simple way. There is no need to go there and there is no need to pull. Already we have these details. Simply you can bring revenue minus cost of sales, nothing but the margin. And what is the margin percentage formula? We have margin divided by revenue.
Revenue.
That's it. So that is the formula for the margin percentage. We should remember that one. So simple 3-4 formulas we have. Margin divided by revenue. We'll get the margin percentage I will get. So in this way we can get all the details. We can compare. Once if you complete this activity, you can compare your answer with the screenshot of learning center. So you can see what we have selected here. US and chocolate revenue. What is the revenue we have, and what is the screenshot it's showing? 804439. Is it correct or anything wrong here? Yes.
Correct one.
So everything is perfect, so that after confirmation we can go ahead. So
Asif, here I have one question. Here you just interlink the formula, right? Even I tried, but I could not. How you are doing that? We need to double click on the formula down, just
yes,
from one tab to one tab you are linking.
you can see here. If you want,
Okay.
double click here. Otherwise you can
Double
see
click
here,
then.
edit bottom right.
Here,
If I click
where?
edit, it will
Okay,
get.
okay. Okay.
Otherwise double click.
So, mm, okay,
If I
double click.
want,
If I here double click, and I can go to the revenue of third margin
yes,
calculation, and just I can click whichever you want. I want.
yes, you should click whatever the line item you want. Margin, you
Okay.
should click margin, then divide, then revenue line item you should click.
Okay. Thanks.
So in this way we can do it. And Alam, Hafiz, where is Hamid? Once check Hamid.
Hamid and Hafiz, they said they will join within shortly, but they didn't join
Hafiz
till now.
already joined. MD Hafiz already joined.
Hamid,
Yes,
Yeah,
Hamid
I'm
on.
checking with Hamid.
Check with Hamid.
yeah, again I will call to him.
Yeah, Asif, I have one more question.
Yes, tell me.
In my what do you know in the revenue 03 margin calculation, I'm getting this decimals. So if example here I'm getting decimal, how to remove that decimals? Like now 8,04,439 point something if I get. So how to remove that? Anyway, I've sent a screenshot in the group.
So you want
So
to
maybe
remove
you
this
can take.
decimals.
No, no, not on the percentage. The top one, like this 218 is there. No, I'm getting 218.79 something. So how to take the decimals?
Okay, that decimals. How you need to remove means I think you have given
Maybe you
decimals for
can
all
take
these
this
things.
question and
Wait, you
Blueprint
have
view, yeah,
you have done
number
decimals here. Zero you need to keep.
decimal. It should be zero. Yes.
Yes,
okay. Here in the number, I need to keep it zero.
zero
Uh,
here.
I think in your blueprint it will. I think it is there too instead
In
of zero.
blueprint view you need
Please
to
check it.
change this one.
Okay. 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 I'll do that.
So we have completed this reporting 01 module. So then we can go for the next activity. So like add size margin reporting module. So here, so we need to create another module, size margin reporting module we need to create. So under the reporting modules we should create the another reporting module, you can see. So under the reporting module only we need to insert the new module reporting 02. So what are the dimensions should I take here? G2 country list and size list I should take. So here G2 country list I should take pages, and size list also where should I take, column or pages? If I have
Pages,
time,
pages.
pages only I should take. If I have time, so other dimensions whatever I want I should take in pages. In rows anyway you have line items. So these are the default view. Rows should be, it consists the line item, in column it should consist the time. So whatever the extra dimension we should take, we should consider in the, we should take in the pages, that's it. So you can see here what are the line items we need to create: revenue,
Revenue, cost of
cost of
sales,
sales,
margin percentage. There already existing
revenue,
something.
cost of
Okay.
sales, and revenue, cost of sales, and margin percentage. These four line items I need to create in the reporting 02 module. Irfan, once send message in interview preparation group like join everyone. Yes. You can see I have created this module, so I can compare once after creating the module I need to format the this line items. You can see format. So earlier also we didn't change that summary method to this one. You can see after writing the formula we need to change the summary method to formula here. So after completing this one, so in this formula we need to keep as a summary method for the margin line item. So why means we are using margin divided by revenue. So here in size reporting 0 to modules as well, we need to change the format of each and every line item. So what are the formats for each and every line item? Numbers we have default one, but the thing is we need to change here margin percentage, we need to change. Is it correct? Yes.
Correct, correct.
So we need to change here number only, but the thing is you need to keep here percentage and decimal should be 2. Yes. So after changing this format of this line items, we need to change summary methods as well to sum. First 3 line items should be, we should keep as a sum here.
Asipai, there's a question like in summary method, there are two things when you click on that. So one is
Yes.
time summary, one is just summary. So
Yes.
is there any difference like both?
Yes, once go through yesterday video, I have shown very detailedly with examples. What is the time summary and what is the main summary. So I think did you have attended yesterday class? Again you
I
are
think I
asking.
joined lately.
Okay,
I
fine.
joined
You
lately.
have very detailedly we have the description there. You can go through it. So time summary and main summary you will get across the time. You will get the time summary. You can see you will get the, if I turn on the time summary across the time, I will get total here. And if I do, like main summary, nothing but across the dimension you will get. Across the dimension means you can see we have taken here countries will add into region level. This is the main summary. Across the dimension, nothing but whatever the list items will rolls up into its parent level. So this is the main summary. And time summary, nothing but whatever the months we have here, these will adds into its parent, its total, quarter total, half year total, whatever it, here it will get add. So that is the difference. Is it clear, Irfan?
Yeah, yeah.
So you can see there with examples also, you can see in yesterday's video. And you can see here we have changed this summary methods as well, but formula we can't change. Once if you write the formula, then only it will allow you to change the formula. To summary method we can change, till that time we can't change. So once if you complete your module building, you can see here, is it perfect whatever we have done? Is there anything wrong here?
It's fine.
So yes, we have completed this one. We can go for the next activity. The final activity we have here, add formulas here. So we need to add formulas. So you can see, the thing is, you can see we have revenue, revenue, cost of sales, margin and margin percentage we have. So we have already details revenue in the revenue 03 margin calculation, but directly we are not pulling the data from here to here. Earlier what we have done, just we have taken this module name and line item name, module name and line item name. But this time we can't take direct module name and line item name directly. So we need to write some condition. Why we need this condition means we'll get doubt here. Why we need take this condition? So first we need to understand what is the source and what is the target. Whenever if you pull data from one module to another module, what are the conditions we should consider? So try to write down these points, everyone. These are the very most important points, like whenever we are pulling data from one module to another module. So these are the mostly we need to consider these points and we need to pull the data. So what are the points we can see here? Srinivas, are you able to view my screen?
Yeah, 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 yeah.
Okay,
Able to hear. Yeah.
okay, fine. So you can see earlier I have pulled data from the revenue 03 margin calculation to reporting 01. Is it correct? Yes, is it correct or not?
Yes.
So from revenue 03 margin calculation to reporting 01, I have pulled data easily without facing any problem. So but here next time whenever I pull data from revenue 03 to reporting 02, so I can't pull data. So what is the problem? I will explain. Directly I can't put. So what are the conditions we have means whenever if I have like few conditions we have write down first condition. So without facing any we have four conditions we have here. So if you have same dimensions, this is source and this is the target here. So when we have source module and target module same dimension, without facing any problem you can pull data from source to target. So this is nothing you face the problem here. So when you have source and target dimensions has that same dimension. So write down first point. Write down these are the very important points. So entire model building process you need all these points.
Asif bhai, can you repeat that point?
So when we have source and target modules, source and target module consist same dimensions.
Okay.
Hello.
Yes,
Okay, same dimension.
source and target module consist same dimension. We can pull data without writing any formula. There is no need to write sum and lookup and any form. You don't need any formula, nothing, but you can pull directly here. How I have pulled here? By writing, if I want revenue, see here, if I want revenue from revenue 03 margin calculation module, so simply I pulled here. I have taken revenue 03 margin calculation dot revenue. Simply I have pulled data from there to here. I didn't write any sum and lookup. I didn't write any formula here. So simply I can refer here. This is the first scenario when whenever source and target module consists same dimension, there is no need to think about any formula. We can directly pull. This is the first condition. There is no need to write any conditions. There is no need to write any formula like sum and lookup. Sum and lookup or any formula. There is no need to write. Simply you can refer. Simply we can refer from source to target. This is first condition. Try to write down second condition.
Asif bhai, what is the second point? Can you repeat?
So what is second condition means when we have source, child dimensions, when we have source child list, child dimension. When we have source child dimension, when we have source child dimensions and target consists the parent dimension. Target consists the parent dimension. Target, you can see G3 location nothing but this is a child, and here G2 country nothing but parent. When we have source has a child dimension and target has a parent dimension.
It will not work, right?
Target has a parent dimension, then also there is no need to write any formula like sum and lookup. If you have source child dimensions, if you have source consists the child dimensions and target consists the parent dimensions, there is no need to write any formulas like sum and lookup. We can refer directly. Why it is happens means, so you can see here why it is happening. When I use revenue 03 margin calculation, so you can see why it is happening, why we are not referring any formula means I will show the reason. So whenever I have child location, you can see I have used here child dimensions, G3 location and P2 products for example. So then why there is no need to write to pull data child to parents means, the reason I will explain here. Whenever if I child is, you can see here I have used location and P2 products. So you can see I have P2 product details, new job bar, raising the bar, everything I have. Even I have what is the parent for the P2 products? What is the parent for P2 products?
Chocolate.
P1 product family, chocolates.
Yeah.
So even though here in source module what I have along with this child items, even I have the parent details as well I have. So how it is happening here means by turning on the summary method. By turning on this summary method, so I could get here along with childs, child will rolls up into its parent level by adding summary method. If I turn off here, nothing I will get. If I turn off here, I don't get any value. Parent level, I will not get anything. I will not get anything here. So if I don't get anything parent level, so can I get any details here? You can see revenue. Can I see anything revenue here by writing
No.
even the formula? Why means
Okay.
we are not turning on here summary method, so that parents level we are not rolling up here, it's parent level. So if I pull data from here to revenue 03 to reporting 01, I don't get anything. The reason we are turned off summary method. So in this way, even though if I turn on summary method, what happening? So even though it consists a child dimension source, if it consists even its parents level details also it consists. So if it consists parent level details, revenue 03 margin calculation module, my source is child level I have, but it consists a parent level as well. Here reporting 01, I have parent level dimensions. You can see parent level G2 country and P1 product family are the parent for the G3 location and P2 products. Even though it consists the child dimension, but it consists the G2 country details as well. It consists the P1 product family details also. We consist in the revenue 03 margin module by turning on the summary. If this module consists the same detail, can I pull here to here or not? Is it possible or not? Yes.
Yes.
Okay. So in this way, that is the reason when we have source dimension as a child and parent dimension like target dimension as a parent, so there is no need to write any formula. Is this clear, these two conditions? Yes. Yes, is this
Yep.
clear?
Yes.
Yes. So this is fine. So two conditions is completed. Two conditions are completed. Then we can go for the third condition. When source consists, you can see next third condition, you can see source and target. In source and target, what happen? You whenever if I want to pull data from source to target, we need to check the dimensions first of all. What are the dimensions we have? So we need to check. So what we have dimensions here, what are the different dimensions we have? You can see here. Here G3 location you have, here G2 country. Here we have P2 products and here we have size. So here we have month and here we have month. So what are the dimensions we have? Is this can we directly pull data from here to here?
No.
Yes.
No, I think one
You can see,
parent and child is there.
we need to check here what are the
Okay.
what is the major problem we are facing here. If I have only G3 location to G2 country, do I have any problem? Child to parent, it become directly child to. If I have only one dimension, G3 location and G2 country, is there any problem with this two dimension, G3 location, G2 country? For me,
No problem.
not a problem. Child to parent already we have pulled here, so that is not a problem. I have problem with the P2 products and size. Is it correct?
Size, yes.
Yeah.
So this is the problem I need to
Yes.
solve. So if I have problem here, P2 products and size here, so we need to write some formula here. So the thing is we need to write sum here. So how other things you need to consider, um, we need to write sum or lookup, we need to write here, we need to judge here, how we need to judge. So should I write sum or lookup means, if I want to pull data from child to parent, if I have 10 childs, so 10 childs I have and I need to bring into one parent. So what I am doing here, I am pulling data from child to parent. What is mean by it? I am summarizing the data. Is it correct or not? Yes.
Yes, yes. For summarizing only, we will use the
Sum function. So summarize the data, we use sum means summarize. Summarize means you have lot of sales data from for example 12 months data. I have salary, we are paying 1 lakh for each and every employee. So 12 months we are paying 1 lakh for each and every month. So I want summary for the year. So what will I get in summary? I will get 12 lakhs. Is it correct or not? What we are doing there? Send message as a rejoin. Yes, Balakrishna once send message as a rejoin. Sudhir once send message and rejoin in your
Okay.
group.
okay.
So if I want to pull data from child to parent, right, third condition, if I want to pull data child to parent with specific condition, if I want directly, if I want to pull child to parent, there is no need to write formula, already you have written second condition. But try to write down third condition. If I want to pull data child to parent with specific condition, means you can see here in product to size with some specific condition, we need to take the sum function. Write down this one. If you want to pull data from child to parent with specific condition.
Your screen is not visible, Asif.
Okay, already I am sharing my screen. Everyone is facing same problem, or
No, I able to see.
No, no, I'm not able to see.
Abhi, right now I am not able to see. Okay.
so 1 minute, once again I will stop. I am stopping my screen and I am sharing once again. Anyway, like I am writing point here, so you can see, write down third point. I am not showing any screen here, so try to write down
Yeah,
third
I'm able
point
to
here.
see.
If we have, if we need to pull data from child to parent with specific condition, child to parent with specific condition, directly if I want to pull child to parent, there is no need to write any formula. But if I want to pull data from child to parent with specific condition, I need to write some formula. Why? Means we are summarizing the data here. Child to parent, we are summarizing the data with specific condition. That is the reason we are taking the sum function. Yes, did you complete the third point?
Yes.
So try to write down fourth point. If you want pull data, if you want pull, like you can write like this. If source consists the parent, source consists the parent, child consists the, and target consists the child dimension. Target consists the child dimension. Then we need to use the lookup function. So when we want pull data from parent to child, source consists the parent, target consists the child. So in that scenario, we need to use the lookup function. Are you clear?
Yes.
We need to use the lookup here. So these are the four conditions. Try to understand these conditions. Then we can see here we have the same scenario we are facing. Child to parent we are pulling with specific condition. So that is the reason we are need to use here sum function. So how we should write the sum function means same thing we need to use. You can see,
We are
like
not getting the screen again.
yes,
We are not getting the screen.
you are not getting screen.
Your share. Yes.
Okay.
In
Is everyone is facing same problem or only?
No, I can see the screen.
No, I cannot see.
No, I cannot see the screen.
I
before
stopped
Srinivas
now.
answers,
I stopped now. I am again once again I am sharing. If somebody is facing only one person facing the problem, then you need to disconnect and
Yes.
rejoin once
Now
again.
we are getting.
Now
No,
we are
We are
getting.
getting now.
Okay.
yeah, now it's fine.
So you can see here, if I want write formula, if I want to pull data from revenue 03 to reporting 02, the reference first thing is the same. Then you should write the formula. And what should you write formula means? What are the different things we have here? What are the
Product size.
dimensions we are making the problem? We need to
Product
understand here. So what are the dimensions we are making the problem? P2 products and size
size.
dimension, we have problem here. Is it correct?
Correct, correct.
Yes.
So we should open system 06 module where we are using P2 products dimension. So that we should open the module and we should select this size line item P2 and what is mean by it? We are pulling data from revenue 03 to reporting 02 where we have problem with the P2 product line size dimension is the problem for us. So we need to mapping this P2 product line size dimension. Mapping nothing but where we have relationship between the P2 product line size dimension. You can see here, here we are using the P2 products dimension here, and even we have here size line item in list format. Size dimension, you can see size dimension we have list format. So here what happening in system 06, we have the relationship between the P2 product sign size dimension list relation. So we have relationship between the P2 products and size list. That is the reason what should we do while writing formula here. First thing we should do the same thing. Whenever if I pulling the data in reporting 02, I should select the first step is the same. I need to select here. Then what are the dimensions are making problem for me? So the thing some we should write, we have to understand we are pulling data from child to parent with specific condition. Then what are the dimensions are making the problem for me? P2 product sign size dimensions. Then where do we have this relationship between the P2 product sign size? In system 06 we have the relationship between the P2 products dimension we are using and size list. Size list we are using as a line item here. You can see size we are using list formatted line item here. List size is a list formatted here. Size is a list formatted line item. So the what is mean by it? P2 products and size list, we have the relationship between these two dimension in the system 06 module. Then what happened if I apply the data? I will get data here in revenue line item. I will get the data. So why we need to go here means we have the relationship between the P2 products and size dimension.
Size.
Yes, tell me, do you have any doubt here? Why we are taking why we are going system 06 module and why we are taking this one, this line item, why we are taking size line item?
In product P2 product.
We have the relationship between this, you can see what are the major problems for me. So the major problem when I pulling the data from source to target, G3 location, G2 countries are perfect. My problems are P2 products and size are the different dimensions. I should check where I have the consist relationship between these two things. So where I have means in system 06 module, I have P2 product dimensions I am using, and even I have size dimension as a list format in system 06 module. What is mean by it? I have relationship between the P2 products and size list in the system 06 module. So that is the reason I am coming here. I am selecting this one so that I can pull data from the revenue 03 to reporting 02 module. Is it perfect or are you facing any doubt here? Is this perfect? If you have any doubt, you can ask here. Yes, is this perfect? Yes, Balakrishna, is this perfect?
Yes.
Okay, fine. For cost of sales also we need to do the same thing. Nothing is the different. We need to go revenue 03 margin module. We need to select the cost of sales, and then you need to write the sum. Then where should I go? System 06, and I should select the size line item where I have the relationship between the P2 products and size list. Simply I should apply here. Yes, I got answer here. And what is the formula for margin line item? Simply revenue
Again,
minus
yes.
cost of sales.
Cost of sales. Yes.
Revenue minus cost of sales. That's it. It is completed. So we need to wait for some time. It is server is down. So we'll try now. Yes, we got. So then what is the margin percentage? What is the formula for margin percentage? Margin divided by
Margin by revenue.
revenue. That's it. After writing this formula, you can change even your summary method as well. If I want, after writing formula only, I can apply this summary method. Otherwise, it doesn't take summary method.
If I not write a formula, then what?
I
The
have
formula is
written
not working.
formula here. In
It will
blueprint
not
view, we have
visible.
written
The
formula
output we
here.
will not get it.
Yeah, in blueprint we writing the formula, but if I not select that, then that
If I
formula
don't
not
The
select
output
working.
will
this
not
one, you
come.
will not get this one. This column,
Okay.
this one you will not get.
The percentage is
It's
not
a
visible.
blank.
No, this
Yes,
one
it's
you will
visible
not get.
blank.
These are the summary method advantage. This one you will not get. If I
Okay,
keep none.
total. Okay, total not.
Total you will not get. In total you will get the blank. If I keep none.
Okay,
Summary nothing but totals. Summary methods. So this is after completing this one, you can compare your answer with the screenshot of learning center. You can see January 124 372 you should get here, but America you should select 100 grams, you should select here. Sometime what happened, so if you select different thing, you will get the different values here. So America you should select 100 gram, we should select America and 100 gram 124 372. Is it correct? 124 and 372, or anything is wrong? Yes. Cost of
Yes,
sales you
it's
can
fine.
see 33043. 33043. Is it perfect? Whatever we got here?
Yes.
Yes, everything is perfect. So we can go for the next activity, so that we have completed all the activities of this 8th lesson. So you can see add formulas to reporting module. So revenue margin checklist, only checklist means we have completed all these modules. The thing is we need to go for the 9th lesson. Tomorrow onwards we need to start the 9th lesson. So complete all these activities and update me. So as soon as possible, don't delay the activities. So you will face the problem. So once if you complete the all activities, that will be helpful for you. So easily you can go ahead. So otherwise, once if you struck, you will get more doubts. So is it clear for everyone? Can I expect from update from everyone? Will you complete all these things?
Yes.
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 Yes. Is it clear, everyone? Do you have any doubt here? Yes, Irfan, ask your doubt.
I don't have doubt. I just want to say yes. So my system is running very slow because of the connectivity. It's like
Okay.
action coming very late. Yeah.
Okay, okay, fine. So then, if you are fine, we can wrap up our session. So thank you for joining and complete all the activities and update me. And even I have shared one Sufyan number, so you can practice with that guy as well. And